Okay, just recently my microwave stopped cooking food, and it's because the handle, or the latch mechanism here isn't springing anymore. This used to spring back and stay closed, stay hooked in here, and for some reason something in there broke, and I'm going to show you how I fixed it. And this is a Kenmore microwave. Here is the model number. If yours resembles that, I don't know if that'll help you to see if this is the same type of microwave that I have. This inside panel right here has to come off. It just snaps on. So you just find a corner somewhere. I took, a kitchen butter knife to try and peel it up. You have to find a corner somewhere here. I just loosely put mine back on, so it's going to be easy for me to get mine off. I say that, but there we go. Kind of difficult to do with one hand. Okay, let's try that again. Now, I said butter knife, but butter knife, spoon, whichever. Just find a spot that can get in there and peel it up. So, just start pulling it off there. And set it aside somewhere for now. Okay, I've got the cover off now, and here is the latch. I just kind of lifted up on that. Hold on a second, my hand is all nasty. Okay, and be prepared. When you take that cover off, you might have a lot of grease and food debris. So now, if you can see in here, there's a little plastic mount back there that broke. There's a spring on there. I'll take this off. This is the hook, or the hooks. You just grab it. Yours might still be kind of clipped on there. There's a spring in there, if you can see it right there. Yours might be still kind of clipped in there, so you're gonna have to lift up on this, and then it hooks this plastic piece here, and that one there will hook in right here and here. So you have to kind of lift up on this, and then there's the spring I told you about. The spring here hooks right on here, and that little plastic piece is broken. So what I did is I hooked it to this. Is a metal framing right here. I'm guessing this helps hold the plastic cover on here. So I just turn that spring around. See, right now, if you see it, it has the hook going towards the left. If I can do this. Now I had to set my phone down to change the direction of that spring. Now you can see it's kind of pointing towards the right. I'm going to hook it on to right here. So you put this little dowel pin right in there, and you'll be lifting it up to get it sits in that hole right there. That's a guide hole, but before you do that, hook it. Just set it in there about where it's supposed to go, or you'll see where your broken clip is. Just hook it to this top metal bracket piece right here. It'll work just fine. Now for me it's going to be a little bit difficult to do it with one hand, but I might be able to get it. Okay, I've got it hooked there, and it's still hooked there, so I'm going to put it in up here. Now remember you've also got a bottom one, so you'll probably be doing this with two hands, which would be a lot easier. Just push it in towards the door and up, and then you should hear it fall into place. So I'll record the bottom one. See how it's on that guide, that plastic guide. Now I can't push it in with one hand, so I'm going to pause for a second. Okay, and I'll show you if I can. It's down in there, and we are hooked right there. That's the spring. And here is the top. So now it's spring loaded, and for the microwave won't cook unless this is springed down and hooked right in here. Your light might stay on. You know, if you got the door all the way closed, you'll have to hold it, and then you might be able to push the time and start, but it won't cook, it won't buzz. The time will just count down, and it won't do anything. So now, I guess that's a safety mechanism, just to make sure the door is closed and you're not exposed to any microwave X-rays. So now you don't need the cover back on, but I would recommend putting it back on and keep it clean, and make sure none of the microwave X-rays hit this metal, because it might throw some sparks. If you've ever put metal objects in there, you know that. But don't put metal objects in your microwave. Okay, I'll put the cover back on and show you that it works. Okay, the cover is back on. It just snaps back into place. There you go. So if you thought this video was helpful, smash that like button. If you want to stay updated on some more fix-it tips, hit the subscribe button, and let me know if you liked the video and what other kinds of repair videos you'd like to see in the future.